Hey folks, Ryan here. In the last video, we used HeyGen's public avatars to generate UGC ads in minutes. If you missed that, check it out today. We're taking it a step further. We're putting you in the game. The biggest problem for personal brands is that you have to be in every video, and that just doesn't scale. By the end of this video, you will have a realistic digital twin of yourself, ready to create content 24/7 without you ever hitting record again. Let's do this. Fire up HeyGen. Go straight to the Avatars tab and hit Create New. Now, you've got two options, photo or video. We want quality and details, so we're going with video. Make sure that your footage follows all these instructions. Once your footage is solid, upload it. You can even record right from your webcam if you have to. Now, run through that checklist one more time, perform the verification, and hit Submit. That's it. Let's check it out.
Beneath the glittering streets of Paris lies something far darker and far older.
The quality is insane. It looks great, it moves great. But wait, it doesn't sound like you. Don't worry, we're fixing that in the next video. You've just created a scalable version of you, an asset that can work for you around the clock. But a powerful creative is useless if you don't know how it performs. That's where Vibelets comes in. You can run 10 different ads with your new avatar, and Vibelets will give you real-time data on which one is actually making you money. It tells you what to scale and what to cut, so you're not burning cash on guesswork. Create the asset, then use Vibelets to grow with it.